I am going to show my daily routine from morning to night. At the morning, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day. First I make my bed. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. I do a 10-minute stretch or quick exercise to wake up my body. After that, I take a quick shower and choose my clothes for the day. I always have a glass of water first. Breakfast. For breakfast, I usually have eggs, toast and a cup of tea or coffee. If I am busy, I make a quick smoothie with banana and milk. Work or study time. I start work or study at 9 a.m. I plan my tasks for the day and make a to-do list. I work in focused 45 to 50 minutes blocks with short 10-minute breaks. Lunch break. I take lunch around 1 p.m. I prefer a healthy food, rice or roti, vegetables and some salad. After lunch, I take a short walk for 10 to 15 minutes. Afternoon. In the afternoon, I work on creative tasks, editing videos, writing scripts, or learning something new. I set small goals and check them off as I finish. Evening. Around 6 p.m., I stop formal work and relax. I do a 30-minute workout or go for a longer walk. Then I cook or help with dinner. Night. At 9 p.m. I turn off screens and spend time reading or talking with family. Prepare things for the next day, clothes, bag and my to-do list. I go to bed at around 10:30 p.m. Thanks for watching my daily routine. Goodbye.